guys. I don't know, it's your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo, 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 what the damn? Bounty killer style. Ah, boy, I manage to crack myself up all the time. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Ask Melica show. Ooh, that lighting though. The Ask Melica show. On today's show, the question is, Melica, how do you get everything done? Like you're always doing something. How do you keep yourself grounded to get everything done? All right, my motivation comes from, because you guys know that I work, I go to school, I vlog, I try to work out, I go to church, and all of those stuff I try to do them like religiously. Well, work some of them standard. Before now, I used to always be a person that, like, me never organize. Like, I'm always late and I'm always stressed, I'm always tired. I'm realizing that life that don't work out for people. Like, the life there is not a good life to live. So I decided that, like, I'm gonna balance everything and I'm gonna do everything to the best of my abilities, because these are things that I want to do, and these are things that make me happy and have me accomplish the things that I want to accomplish in life, to be a well-rounded person, right? So like, since I've made the shift, I've been disciplined in doing all of those stuff, and working out consistently has helped me with discipline and timeliness and a lot more other stuff. So when you see people at work out and I just lose weight alone, it's to develop discipline as well, and that's what I developed in a lot of areas of my life, and that's how I manage everything. I just plan, I just try to be on time, I try to be consistent, I try to stay committed to my word. Me, I want person of my word. I tell lies. If me can't go do it, me just can't go do it. And that's how I keep everything on a roll. And I know when it's time for me to stop everything and take a break for myself. So that's very important as well. So you can regroup and come back with a bang. Bang, bang, bang. So that's how I answered that question. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Email me your questions out at melicaskylife@gmail.com, or add me on Instagram and message me there. Okay? See y'all later. Bye.
Now I'ma tell the world, I'ma tell it everywhere.